Hello Windows Universe. In this video we'll talk about how to fix high memory and CPU usage in Explorer in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, we will link an article in the description down below. Let's start by running the system file checker. Open the command prompt as an administrator, type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. The system checker will check your system files for any form of corruption and repair them if possible. This will take a couple minutes. If you're still having the problem after running the SFC scan, you can try something called running the check disk. Type in CHKDSK/F and of course the drive name. If it is the C drive that they're checking, you will get this error message that it cannot run because the volume it uses in presence is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time you restart? Simply hit yes and restart your system. Try to run in MALWARE scan. If you're having this issue on a PC, run a full system antivirus scan. Sometimes Explorer.exe high CPU usage can occur if the PC is infected by malware, which can cause certain processes to be running in the background without your knowledge, and that can cause high CPU usage on the PC. Cloud storage services such as Dropbox or OneDrive can also be the culprit for this Explorer.exe high CPU usage. These cloud services can sync files automatically in the background, and if you're syncing a large number of files, that can lead to an Explorer.exe high CPU usage problem. In this case, try to disable OneDrive and Dropbox or uninstall them temporarily and see if the problem fixes itself. The next thing is to run the disk cleanup. Explorer high CPU usage can likely be caused by old and temporary files created by Windows, and sometimes these files can interfere and clog your system. So let's run disk cleanup. Type in disk cleanup. Tell it which drive you want it to do. I would honestly suggest doing all of the drives. Click on Clean Up System Files. And delete those files. Finally, try to troubleshoot in a clean boot state. This high CPU usage can also likely occur due to third-party applications running on the Windows 10 PC. Many services and applications tend to start automatically with Windows, and that can cause a lot of problems. In this case, fix the issue by carrying out a clean boot operation. In clean boot state, all startup applications and services will be disabled, allowing to troubleshoot the problem manually. We did a video on how to start your computer in a clean boot state, and you can watch it here. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.